Trust in your system, trust in your process. It's as simple as that. Look at this, it's still going. So just a recap on the trade. We failed to break this high. We broke this low right here. We broke this low here. So we kept making lower lows, breaks of structure. So let's edit this based on today. So this was a bearish market at this point. Then we got a break of structure, which is here. Then we hit our supply zone, and which is this. Quick annotation, supply zone, go. So let's get to the specifics. So entry, if you are entering aggressively after this break of, let me change the color of this because we're selling. After this break of structure with this candle, so you wait for this third candle, go back into your zone. So as it's printing up and down and you see some sort of resistance, that's when I entered somewhere here. That's why I've marked it here, because that's where I entered. So that's your aggressive when you enter here. Okay, now conservatively is when this same candle has done all it's been doing, then closed. Now we are on this candle. So as soon as this closes and this starts, that's when you enter your trade. So this would have been your conservative. Hang on. This would have been your conservative entry right here. Once this closed, because it closed bullish just there, then ideally put it there just to be safe. Then go for your 1-to-1. Your 1-to-1 would have been there, and then once you get to 1-to-1, either close the full position or take partials and leave a runner. Now that is your conservative entry. Now break of the candle is when you're not so sure of where to enter, you want more confirmation. So all this does is gives you a different risk to reward. So conservative, wait for this to close. As it's forming this new one, just as it's starting, place your entry. Now for this break of the candle is break of this previous candle. So as this is coming down, as soon as it breaks this candle, this green one somewhere here, that's when you make your entry there. So this would be your sell at this point. Go for your stop loss to be above the supply zone, and your 1-to-1 would be right there. That's it. All entry types work, depends on where you put them and the confidence. Let me see if there's anything else I should point out. That's it for the aggressive, conservative, and break of the candle. Yeah, all of them is just confidence based. And how you see, the good thing about this trade, none of these candles closed in the zone. So this is pretty much like, it's so A+. It's A+++, to be fair. Very good setup. That's it.